Could you get Mr. Joseph Wolfenbarger back for me, sir? Thank you. Deputy, we're ready for the jury again. Obviously, once we get Mr. Wolfenbarger back on the stand. Thank you, sir. Sorry for that delay. Come on back. And you can just come on back and have a seat on the witness stand. And Deputy, now we're ready for the jury. Thank you all. Please be seated. Mr. McDermott, you may resume your examination.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions for this witness.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Wilson, questions for this witness?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Now, you were born on July 5th of 1996, isn't that right?
Yes, that's right.
So you would have been about 2.5 when your mother went missing, correct?
That sounds about right.
And you have no personal memory of that, correct?
Not of her, no.
So you have no memory at all of your mother?
I mean, no, like not like a living version of her, no. There's little bits here and there I can remember, like of the ceremony, but that was it really. I didn't really understand, who she was,
Yeah, because you were only 2.5 when it happened.
Right. I mean, but it was later on when the ceremony and whatnot.
Now you lived with your mother. Well, excuse me. You never lived with your mother.
No, not really. No.
Yes, you lived with Kathy Wolfenbarger, your grandma.
Right.
She wanted you to call her mom.
Not exactly. It was just more so it was easier that way.
So you did call her mom.
Yes.
Okay. And you never saw pictures of your mom at all while you were growing up?
I mean, I've seen some, but they wasn't like displayed all over. There was, the rare occasion that we would go through photo albums or whatnot, but that's the only real time that I've seen them early on.
And those photo albums were located in the house, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you were 4 when you were told that your mom had been murdered?
I would say that's about right. 4 or 5, somewhere around there.
And you were told by Kathy Wolfenbarger, correct?
Not really. I mean, it was more so of Rachel. Like she got more into detail with it.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
And so you heard a bunch of details.
Yes.
When you were 4.
Yes.
And you never asked your dad about what happened, correct?
I mean, it'd always been a touchy subject for, talk about with anybody, it's not really.
Okay. So you never had conversations about your mom's death with your dad, haven't you?
I mean, bits and pieces,
But nothing extensive.
Right.
And that over the years?
Right.
Okay. And after high school, you moved in with your dad.
Yes.
And you haven't had conversations with him about it Only bits and pieces, correct?
Correct.
And you were still living with him. You're still living at that address?
I mean, not at the moment, but I was off and on for a while. Shared 2 residents.
Who was the other residence was Kathy Wolfenbarger?
Yes.
Can I just have a moment?
Sure.
Right now, you live with Kathy?
Yes.
Okay. And who is Rachel?
That was the woman he got with after my mom.
Okay. So you've talked about it with your dad's girl, kind of living.
Right. They were living together and they moved in across the street.
Okay. One more moment.
Sure.
Thank you.
What year were you born again?
96.
96. So when Melissa's remains, or when you went to the ceremony, you mentioned the ceremony a while ago, and you said you had just faint memories from the ceremony. And that would have been in 2003, correct?
Yes.
And so you would have been about 6 or 7 at that point. Would you have been 6?
Yeah, give or take. Yes, about
Okay.
6.
So you wouldn't have heard anything about your mother's, how she went missing until after that point, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And is your memory still fuzzy from all that stuff?
Right. Right.
Okay.
Like I can remember like bits and pieces, like kind of where we were standing or whatnot, but just
And so is it safe to say that the discussions you had with Rachel would have come after that point?
right.
Okay. No further questions.
Thank you. Anything else, Mr. Wilson?
Just very briefly.
Sure.
Now you have a full sister, correct?
Could you?
You have a full sister. You have a sister.
Yes.
And what's your age difference
10 months.
between you and Chrissy?
Yes. 10 months.
Okay. Nothing further.
Mr. McDermott?
I'm nothing further. You may be
Okay.
excused.
Thank you, sir. You can step
Thank
down.
you.
You are excused as a witness. Mr. McDermott, defense may call its next witness.